Weather Alert Classroom Home Edition, brought to you by Tennessee Valley Federal Credit Union. Hey everybody, meteorologist Brian Smith here with News Channel 9 and my beautiful daughter Addison. And today we are going to make 5 weather experiments and crafts in just about 5 minutes. So let's get started with number 1.
Cold front, warm front, battle.
That's right, cold front, warm front battle. It's simple. First thing you need to do is get a Pyrex dish filled up with some lukewarm water. And on one end, you take red food coloring and drop a couple drops.
One, two.
And on the other end,
You put ice cubes in.
blue ice cubes that you freeze the night before. And then you watch and see what happens. And what you're witnessing here is because of the warm water, you see the red is going to end up going on top of the blue here. And that's because the blue water is cold, the warm water is warm. So as you see this battle taking place, you see the cold air moving, but it's going to go right underneath the warm air. See it kind of pushing around here, and now you're starting to see that warm air going up and above. So that's kind of an example of where we get warm fronts and cold fronts from. Very simple and easy little experiment that you can do to showcase convection as well as how thunderstorms are made. And for number 2,
Make it rain.
so here's what you need. Take a big tall glass here and fill it almost all the way up to the top with water. I'm using a vase here. And this is where it gets fun and it gets messy, because what is our next step, Addie?
Shaving cream.
Woo! Let's get right into it here. That's right, you take it and you fill up the top with shaving cream. This is gonna get big and foamy. Let's see if I can get it better. Oh, big old mess, because this is going to be your clouds. And what is our next step, Addie?
Blue dot.
That's right. So take some blue food coloring and you just pour it all through the clouds.
It may take a couple minutes for the rain to make it through the cloud cover, but it starts to fall. It is beautiful. Here comes the rain again. Are you laughing at me?
And number 3, we make it snow.
Make it snow. The kids are going to love this one.
First, fill your jar up with baby oil. And next, mix paint and water together, and then
And mix it all up.
mix it all up.
It's okay if you get a little messy. It's fun with kids.
Add some glitter to make it look cool.
You may have to shake it a little bit just to get the glitter all to fall to the bottom.
Put your Alka-Seltzer into the jar and watch it snow.
There it goes.
There it goes.
And once you have the Alka-Seltzer in the water, there it goes. Instant snowstorm in your own kitchen. And it may actually bubble up on the top a little bit, but that's okay. And for number 4, a tornado in.
A jar.
That's right. So you need a mason jar, some more glitter for debris, a little bit of soap, and make sure you have a top as well. So Addison, the first thing we need to do is add a couple little drops of, there you go, of some soap or dishwashing detergent, and sprinkle just a little bit of your glitter. We'll put the top on super tight. And now you shake. Shake it up a little bit. Shake it up, shake it up, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it. And next, it might be best to hold it up next to a window, but you shake that bottle around in circles. And now you have yourself a tornado, as the glitter represents some of the debris. There it goes. Ooh, that's a good one there. And for number 5, it is clouds in a jar. What do we need?
We need a jar, matches, and some ice cubes and boiling water. And for this one, you might need 1 grown-up.
Now to do this experiment, all you need is some hot boiling water. Again, make sure your parents help you out with this one. Pour it in towards the bottom here. You'll already see some steam. Take your cap, put a couple ice cubes in it, and put it on top. And you will automatically see a little bit of what steams in that. But to make it be a cloud even more, you can spray some hairspray in it, or you can also use a match. Again, your parents will have to do this one for you. You light a match, you hover over the top of it a little bit, and then you drop it in there. Boom. Now you'll really start to see those clouds being made. See them made? There you go. The reason why is, well, when water is rising, causing water vapor, it's got to stick to something like dust or pollen, or in this case, just a tiny little bit of smoke. But that made it so that you can see the clouds even more. Now you have a cloud in a jar.